Hey guys, DJ from Simply DJ here. Today we'll be talking about a 50,000 budget gaming build. It's a Ryzen based build and I hope you like it. So let's get started. Firstly is the processor. For processor we chose AMD Ryzen 3 3100. It's a 3rd gen quad core processor with 8 threads. It has 65 watts TDP, can boost up to 3.9 GHz. It's a great basic processor. You can also do light editing as well. When choosing a gaming PC, the processor comes second. So we are going with Ryzen 3 series. If you want a more powerful processor, then there's another option. There's a AMD Ryzen 5 2600X. It's a last gen processor, but it's quite powerful. It's 6 cores and 12 threads. You can do great editing with this. The cooler is included and it has RGB as well. So yeah, so you can. For motherboard we choose ASRock B450M HDV. It's a great budget M80X motherboard. It's compact, has 2 RAM slots and can take up to 32 GB of RAM. It has all the necessary USB ports and a front panel connector, and also M.2 if you want to upgrade future storage to the faster M.2 storage. It's a great motherboard overall. Next, coming to the RAM, we are choosing a 8 GB single stick DDR4 RAM by Corsair Vengeance. It's choosing a single stick because we want to keep the budget low, but you could go for another 8 GB RAM if you have the budget for it. So I suggest 16 GB, but since the budget is tight, 8 GB is the minimum. Coming to the graphic card, we are going with the Galax G4 GTX 1662 Super. It's a great graphic card with 6 GB DDR6 RAM and 2 fans in the design, so it will play any game with full HD ultra settings. It does depend on the game though, but most of the games will handle it smoothly. When it comes to storage, I suggest SSD. It's 2020 and SSD should be compulsory in a PC. Anyway, if you do run out of storage, I added a Western Digital 1 TB hard disk, but it will go over your budget, that's for sure. So, but at least I suggest a 240 GB SSD. Yeah. And then case. For case, you could go for anything, but I have selected Corsair Carbide Spec 1. It has a glass window, red LED fan included in it, and the case is great for the price. Full black red LED. And yeah, for power supply, it's a 550 watt Corsair power supply. It is 80 plus certified. It's great, efficient, and the cable is braided. It's easy to manage and look clean in the case. So yeah, this is all the parts. All the links you can find in description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.